If your switch has no effect and will not stop the machine, you obviously need to replace it. If it's not working, you can use the choke to stop the saw. So often sawdust gets in there and stops them working. If it's not working, you're obviously going to need a new switch. So we'll get a new switch. Now the old switch, you can use your chainsaw spanner. And what we've got to do is get it into the gap there, just between the body and the switch, and lever it out. And then that should reveal the wires. So then to pull them off, maybe it comes off like that. So you have yellow at the top, black at the bottom. So then we've got our new switch, throw that away. We've got a new switch, the stops goes inwards. The black is on the bottom and the yellow is on the top. If I can get it on. There, like that. So that's on. So we've got little wing nuts here and little wings here. So with the saw, go in onto the bottom one first. So this side in first, and then these have to come in at the top, which you can press in and hopefully push it on, and that's clipped in. And then that should be the on-off switch.